Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to check for your Google Smart TV update and how you can upgrade your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your setting from your Google Smart TV. So go to the setting icon right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on OK. And this is going to drop down right here. Next thing you need to do is to continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to system. So from the system right here, navigate to the sidebar right here and make sure you are on About. From About, navigate to the sidebar right here to take you to System Update. What you need to do right here is to simply click on OK and checking for update right here. So if there is any update as at the time you are checking for the update, so it's take your system is up to date. So it's that simple. So basically, this is how to check for updates on your Google Smart TV and how you can actually update and upgrade your Google Smart TV. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.